Make a great choice today with the 2016 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, all-wheel drive, navigation system, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver lumbar, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Subaru CPO vehicles have no secrets. You'd never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. When shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.